Do you often wonder what success truly means? Many struggle to find the path to success. This tutorial will break down essential rules for achieving success. By the end, you'll have actionable steps to follow. First, define what success means to you. Take time to reflect on your values. Success is personal. It varies for everyone. Next, set clear goals. Write them down and make them specific. Goals give you direction and motivation. Now develop a positive mindset. Surround yourself with inspiring people. Stay open to learning and adapting. Then take consistent action. Break your goals into small tasks. Celebrate each achievement, no matter how small. Afterwards, learn from failures. View mistakes as learning opportunities. It's part of the journey to success. Next, build a strong network. Connect with others in your field. Networking can open many doors for you. Finally, practice gratitude daily. Acknowledge your progress and efforts. This will keep you motivated and happy. To summarize, define success, set goals, cultivate positivity, take action, learn from failures, network, and express gratitude. Now go out and apply these rules in your life. Start your journey to success today.